for chang na some woman say we as we come for glad big day e no la see as we the big day e take pass all the one dem so we go bring am for now this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say wetin say even as we frutambo e food dem small e dey so run fast past elephant. I say even as we frutambo e food dem small e dey so run past elephant. On Etuge Divine for Isokolo na e send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Tori House, chapter 2 for Tori for number 21 day for inside number 5 moon. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now with a palava for road accident. Palava accident for road. Make we take una go for a place where they call am say Bekoko. Now for inside Douala here, country people them. Where accident it be happen for day. It dey na for inside this weekend. So country people them. Where accident pass so then na amateur image where they show na some. Where it dey so small motor where they carry 18 people them. In Nakhead with some big motor. So for that side for Bekoko. It be dey na for night where this accident it happen. And inside the accident where happen. Tori wey enter for we ear e dey try for tell we say wetin 4 people dey sleep straight one time for place where the accident e happen, then other people dem dey where they be get wound. And this motor according to wetin wey happen na so palava chapter for overrun. Even our man say we send we image for this accident wey pass. He says it be only it had be the court for the kind thing that we see am for that accident wey happen for that side. So for Bekoko wey a consign motor wey e dey carry 18 people them and some gongoro wey e be make am so for that side. So 4 people them they die for inside that accident wey e pass for Bekoko. Sabi say governor for Southwest Oga Bernardo Kalabilai a sign book, and inside that book it talk say 7 o'clock. I say waiting 7 o'clock peoples they no get for the tonton. And Sabi say that book will be signed and may be signed na for Friday. As well they be the one glad number 20 days say 7 o'clock. They no want see people there for outside. Okada people them in particular, they no want to see me the tonton. But even as well governor sign book, some strong-head people they dey. Where it dey so them no the fear no nothing. Now pharmacy this for that side for Moliko they broke enter for inside. Yes. As well they say make people they lock place all man she done for house. Someone they do the worker enter for pharmacy see ladder where they put them. They climb on top that ladder so they enter broke pharmacy. Enter for inside pharmacy for that side. So for Moliko people they only wake up for this time they say chai thief people so that they ask and say no be if ngom na sign book e mean say na Kamamburu peoples police or gendarme they get for the tonton for the whole place no. So people they wake up see pharmacy way people they don't enter for inside pharmacy for early this morning time. Now who they enter and when they talk say make people they know the tonton how people they manage tonton so they the thief for inside pharmacy. Now the big question that yes now one place already people they enter see another place this place na place where they sell mimbo them. They be feel say they don't keep money for corner, so they go knock that place, knock the place, knock the place. Then they look spy for inside for see where that money they dey. They don't spy, they don't see no money. They see na only paper them. They no do, they know nothing again for day. So now the thing that way happen for that side for Boya and for talk say waiting. They say make people they know tonton for 7. Okada people them in particular say from 7 make all man she done for house. But how thief it is also happen? Now the thing that people they don't feel understand. They be feel say they don't keep money for therefore just open and them, drag the thing for outside. But market it will work for them the time. Market it be work for them. They no be fee for take the money or they no fit do nothing for that side. Money no be dey. So they only enter na for inside pharmacy. We'll be meeting with one of the boy them for that side where he dey for that place where they can broke enter where they no see money. Make it we talk.
Don't come for open my store for here. As supermarket place is planning. I be surprised to see these people there. Oh, now who are not feel early but they don't come broke our place for here. This one I play our account again. I store this. So the fee says on that we keep money for here, then they don't come broke. Obviously they don't even penetrate for it because maybe they just pick from this small hole there where they put for them, they don't see nothing. Then they go now for you and neighbors for happy can play the day. I don't feel say with certainty whether they take money for them or they not take up. Yeah, for the pharmacy for here for Mount Zion pharmacy. Well, what really surprised me when they overwhelmed me and say communicate don't come out say as from 7 o'clock no man no the worker no worker bike no worker. Obviously any man if he say at that time of the night till morning time now police security people there get the police they get to ensure security. But if this kind of thing happen after that 7 p.m. till 6 a.m. when a police they ensure security, me I be bound for the ask this question. Which side the security? Yeah. If we feel to sleep our houses, we say police they ensure security. Till this time with the historical thing there, me are the one. The other time when they issue the first communique, they still broke for you a very store for magazine for backside. Again, the broke for some bank, just a neighboring credit union. If like the move communicate many people that know to the worker. Obviously, man when the worker for that time, I feel saying a security man. But I don't feel talk saying a security people in the good place. But my problem now say if people that feel the worker that after that time I feel they don't like. They no one for adhere to the order when government don't hear. So obviously if they get to that time for attack that company and them get to catch the people them. You cannot sleep from my place. I even hear that the broke door for night. I come out for outside. You cannot say if I come out some.
So now one of the person that's lucky to say he sends a work quick for that side, he no be keep money for that side same place. If no be so for wake up for morning time, he no see no one eye money for that side. So now the big question that and that place them they now only for corner road where normal if all man e eye e dey shine, they be get for see people there they broke enter for that pharmacy or even for that business place where they broke enter for day as we 20 May it turn to number 21 day for inside this very moon. We go left that two palava for quarter. We enter now so from Gando for 20 May. First, we want to say congratulate for Oga Governor for Littoral Region, Samuel Jodone Dubois, and all people there they be join hand for this number 20 day for this May for pass fine. Now for Sika 17, Sabi say my eye in the ever look place. So we be go look that big poster for day that the ever writer. You understand? Whether some small thing day for day. So we congratulate. Say even as so we the talk, it means say they hear we one time. So for now we see and say no, they don't try for adjust all thing. You understand? Edition where we get a sound on top for first May. The one they don't understand, it don't change. Then even that 40 seat, they don't understand say 40 seat no na 42nd. 42nd or 40 seat sitting then on a waiting there is for right time. So once say congratulate. When he bad, he finds say make could talk. And when he no bad, we dey give congratulate for Samuel Jodone Dubois and all people there with they join hand for say May 20 May pass. Now so we like and for see say make all thing eternal straight. Now for sure say true Cameroon na bilingual country. We go enter now for the May 20 palava in the proper. Make we take una for Manjo. Una sabi say Manjo, even as so they declare big day for May. Ngando for national unity. Big people they laugh. All thing a day. Musanga they give am for people that they be get for give. And it be been a big lot after they give Musanga for people them. Kamamburu people them na then set the start worker. Kamamburu police and all the other people that they did for that side of Manjo. Now so the worker after big commander for Mary Lukomas pass, he go salute you. Then after that one, it be been a small picking them primary school, secondary school. Now them they take time for mass. Sabi say the picking the mass so for that side for Manjo. Water no day. Yeah, some quarter them for Manjo they way water no day. but not as wey dey think back. They say no, national unity na national unity. Even chief dem sef, you see dem no red cap, all dey be dey meeting people dem o, dey be dey all the one dem so na for glad big day for national day. And for that side for Manjo, all thing e waka straight, no confusion, no nothing wey e pass for that side. So big day for Manjo, even as wey water no dey for that side for Manjo, e waka fine. Make we hear some people dey now so for that side for Manjo, dey talk for we wetin e dey happen. Sabi say dem sef dey talk palava for Norway and Southwest, and dey talk to say make Nkunkuma e try for she don for one chair so that peace e go be for country. Make we hear them.
My brother them Anglophone say unity na the big value wey man fit get am for this ground, so that we get to fight only for unity. If we divide, we no fit build the country. So maybe try how this day for 20th May e be na when one unity. Maybe take and go before. Maybe we not take and only for say it be na for today. Maybe unity every day. It will be from southwest to northwest, from Manjo to Manfe, Eyang, Atenako. For all that side, we will be unite.
People don't come for plenty for Manjo. If I say we the West chef de l'État for trouver solution for deep problem, when the wet people where they come for all the side, say they come good, no proper no day. They don't say some people, chef de l'État to trouver solution for deep problem.
So now so the thing pass for Manjo, we go come up for Manjo, enter for side where they call am say Loom, na so for Palaba for 20th May for that side, for 30 for side for Loom, match e waka to fine for place where they call am say waiting Loom after we Oga divisional officer e come for field. Sabi say tradition to be done as say waiting Musanga e must to fegiam for people that they don't the work for show say make country e turn up one, make country no divide. After that one, it be then a time for Oga DOSSF for turn up see as we Kamamburu people them. They make mash for pass before all people there they be come out for that side so for Loom country people them. You see am, yes. Now Kamamburu they say that mash all things so they pass. After that one na primary school they say they waka small fine primary school picking them. Then future Cameroon them where would it say future leader them for country. As well primary school dem say they march do all their kind style dem show Oga DO say na thing this one don talk so one day na for inside peace no na for any kind of thing na so to all dem too dey sape for the different kind country people dem wey dey for inside country. Oga DO say clap hand so tey hand e be almost comot for inside a scheme for court only for sake say wetin this small pikin dem dey march over sense for their head e make the small pikin dem for sabi yes see the one own flag. See flag. You see flag. See goat. Mommy they don't tire. Oh, they don't tire. So one day they work at any flag. You don't losing. Flag you don't losing. Mommy they don't even get them time. They just they work at that one. That disgrace, no. So this small picking themselves for other primary school themselves. All they be match. They be show say no Cameroon na one and people they no get for divide them. Meeting themselves. They be join hand for enter for inside this palava so for Loom. So for Loom side. Mash, it happen fine. But something happen for Loom. Una sabi say for Tombel, place it be the hot. So as we Kamamburu people there, they can't turn so for that side so for Loom. As we people there, they mash, they see Kamamburu. Confusion enter for Loom. Una see am.
Ne courons pas. Les choses sont sous contrôle. Calmons-nous. Ne courons pas dans tous les sens.
Yes, this confusion for that side for Loom country people them, as I talk, it happen after we people there they be there for Ngando place. They see all kind of gun the way Kamambru people they don't come out there. They only can turn where they be get for go for that side for Tombe. So confusion it be enter, but that one it no be disturb the big Ngando for that side. So for Loom country people them, as we plenty other kind people then too. They pass show with their own kind style they want match. One the way they sit down for on top taxi, one the way they match pass with the juju, and even mami them for Cameroon Renaissance movement where they put hand to for hate. Make we see her.
Déplacer des objets comme à nous, ce n'est pas facile. Pour la stabilité, pour nous, la masse qui paye, ainsi ça coûte.
So, Junju all man, a come up for make national day. Now, me say all man national. Whether na Junju no be Junju, you be national man, you be national man. Make we hear one of the people them SDF, their big person for that side so for Loom. He talk for Jacquino Mulomi microphone.
C'est unity day for Cameroon. C'est qu'à cette heure, we make the match pass. We capable to fight, say unity turn back. I think say for say that unity be again like for last time. If I say problem for northwest and southwest be solved. We dey for match pass here. We friend we dey for that side. They not enter for bush. So then for Nigeria. Let me say it's wrong for accept say unity day. Trouble dey for inside country. And this one for Loom. People don't come out to me for Onia so can flow for Loom. So people then sleep or that by 10, by 20 for inside house. That is very serious. See can say the stuff for all them now, we see that people they come, all the people they pass. We don't know who be who. You never know if you know your fan. Farm them they not flop that for inside. Flop farm not flop. But people that come now for northwest, sud-west. I think say vraiment not problem for drunk, they for take. The thing French call say ampleur. They say for take place. That big problem there, no be small one. The meeting say that small problem. That's so problem hard there.
So now one of the person in that for Social Democratic Front SDF for that side. So for Loom, it be the talk for Jacquino Mulomi microphone. For that side for Bamenda, we go first Tonton for show na the face for food markets. It means a market where they sell only the kind of thing don't understand now. Now for the way we start with our own big day for inside Bamenda, it be then a total country Sunday. No business man, it no be common for outside. All people that be in a place a lock. No man it no be there outside. For number 20 day for inside this moon way, there be the glad national day for that side for Bamenda. The only people that they get hard, that they can't say they're smoting them. Bet one man for common for outside for buy. A no be day. Now one person they be the pass. All man a run enter for your own side for seeker waiting, for seeker fear, for thing where they no sabi way if it happen for that side for Bamenda. So now they face that for market for inside Bamenda. As well people they be the glad 20th May for that side so for Bamenda. Now make we take on assessment for inside field. Sire then Gando sese be the pass for inside Bamenda sides. Sabi say all man will be one go shidon for corner governor or even for grandstand. He must to open his hand. All man he must to open his hand. They look out thing the way you don't put them for inside your skin. Whether you don't own or some shake or shoot you one go put something or some bomb it dey for your system. So Kamamburu people they check all man before he pass. But as we oga pata for Norwest. Adolf Lele Lafrique Ilan Nasotu Ngando too for that side for Bamenda. It starts one time and waiting it starts with Ngando na Musanga people then too they don't disiseme country turn up one Nasotu Oga Adolf Lele Lafrique he put the Musanga and the other big people there they Kamamburu then say now then they start make mash for that side so for Bamenda they mash with their food they mash with their motor show we all kind of motor the way they get all kind of shake and shoot the way they get for that side. Primary school they say they follow for back. Then after that one, university, college and even political party. But sabi say for party side, people the way they march. Now only UDP, yes, UDP. Well now they see them so with that yellow clothes where they say United Democratic Party and M Arusi with with their hand them on top their head with CPDM. Yes, now the three political party then that way they make mash for that side, so for inside Bamenda for Palava for 20th May. Pani John SDF party e no be even make mash for that side for say wetin some other chief dem too for Bamenda for Mezam, some of them too they be deny for camp for that Gando for 20th May. But sabi say Oga Adolphine Lafrique he say whether e go up or come down e glad plenty say Gando e pass fine. We go take una go for Sare they call am say Kumbu. For Kumbu too for Norway, so Palava for number 20 day for this moon, Country Sunday. Na way e be day for inside Kumbu. Yes, Country Sunday, na way e be day for inside Kumbu. Wetin happen? Benin people they be lock all their place them. No Benin man no be day. Even for inside quarter we tonton for check whether if you even see one man for road. All place quiet, no nothing no be dey happen for Kumbu. As so even people there they ever shit down for maybe net e no comot, but the one say sef e no be worry no people them. As so the Ngando for 20th May is also pass for big Ngando ground for that side. So for Kumbu country people then sabi say Kumbu na headquarter for Bui division for that side, so for Norwest. And all man wey be wan go enter for that side e be get for waiting, they be get for checking, and for grandstand to Kamambulu State sef they be turn for all sides, so that any man we wan make any kind of thing they go just finish with you one time. Now Kamambulu State they start match pass, and Kamambulu they take 22 minutes for make match pass. Then after that one school pikin dem come, place where school pikin dem no be dey plenty, e be dey na teachers day for that side. So for Kumbu teacher dem say they match for place where school pikin dem no be dey, but Oga SDO talk say I glad plenty say after all the match is also happen, so no trouble no day. Now so the match e pass for that side. So for Kumbu we go for that side for Tombel way e be hot too for Tombel. Sabi say normal Ngando be get for pass for Tombel for early morning time with tonton for Tombel. All people they don't run enter for Sosongo for Sika the gun way e be the hala for all side. Kamamburu people they did tonton for all quarter them for Tombel. All man e door e lock. One day they don't enter na Okada. Enter na for run go outside Tombel. As well with the enter Tombel, even we own Toriman Sesep, he no be get enter Tombel anyhow. They be charge his skin. Yes, now Jackie Sesep they charge all his skin for check whether he dey with his some small he shake a shoot. Open that back small. So Kamamburu people they all they be day. As we shooting it be happen for that side. So for Tombel, Sabi say this shooting will happen. It start for 8 o'clock. So then around that kind of 1 o'clock we shooting a last finish. And as well the shooting finish. Oga DO for that side Yam United say lie to lie big day e no fit pass wey they no even make some small mash for that side. Yes, so mash e be happen for that side. So for Tombe, and since na big day na only Kamamburu people dem say the mash, and na only dem say the be shidon for grandstand. All population e don run go e. Yes, all population e don run go e. They talk say they no want them to palava, so all man e run go. So na only dem the mash, and the match e pass for 5 minutes. So now so the thing e pass for Tombel, we go for Ezeka side. So for chapter for 20th for May for corner side for Ezeka side. Sabi say for Ezeka now only 2 party the day for that side. For Ezeka you get UPC and CPDM. After we match e finish, dem say the decisive thing made the turn for the whole town for talk say make peace e turn back for country. So Ezeka side we get all Cameroon people there, they join CPDM, they join with the UPC for match inside the whole town. The one after they don't finish match for place where they dey make match for inside that side. So even Oga Mayor Sesep e be join the match for talk say wetin make peace e dey for inside country. So UPC and CPDM they no look say they be opposition people dem or na say na ruling party. All dem they be join for say make the worker for the whole Ezeka, even go for that side wey train e be a craze for Ezeka side for say make all dem the worker for make peace for inside country. So na so the thing e be pass for that side. So for Ezeka after we match e finish for the main Gando place, then say they be join UPC CPDM they join for say make the match for Palava National Unity. We go finish Tori this afternoon with Chang for corner side for Chang 2. Thing will be happen for Chang as so the match. Now the thing this we be very sorry, but na mami to that way e be can say e be one can match last mami e be get some small problem. And tori wey enter for we ear now say the mommy e be last die, and so they carry go for hospital. Mommy become for candlelight 20th, but he can be for match pass place. He no last shake again. He be get some small shaking. So last they carry go hospital, and the tori meet winner say the mommy he last die for that side. So for Chang. So now the one bad thing that way it happen for 20th May for that side. So for Chang. For Menua, we dey talk big Asia for mommy for that family and the family people them for this mommy where they die. So now so we see country for this halftime. Sabi say will be get for come back for Balangi and Ikonam as we see but we'll surely bring another image back tomorrow. We get this announce for Mekam country people them picking it don't loss. We get this photo, make we show another photo. Any person we don't see the man or this boy picking that they call it say Chakunte Rostan. They talk say the boy hates, he no turn out fine. Now me say boy hates, he shake small. So in name na Chakunte Rostan and a papa Chakunte Rodeo. He beg any person we don't see this picking. He run he disappear for house for Wednesday number 16 day for inside this moon. And they say Chakunte Rostan he be wear some jean trousers and some half clothes wey they write am on top say Adidas as well as the see as so na so he be comot for house that day. And this pikin he dey talk small, he dey talk French fine, and papa dey beg any person wey dey keep this pikin or he don't see am make he try for call this tingly number them 672-647-665 or 674-023-614 or he bring it for Equinox Story House big dash in the way to make we take un for French. Monsieur Chakunte Rodeo annonce la disparition de son jeune frère âgé de 20 ans, la nommé Chakunte Rostan, ne jouissant pas de toutes ses facultés mentales. Au moment de sa disparition le mercredi 16 mai 2018, Chakunte Rostan était vêtu d'une pantalon jean tricot rouge Adidas, portait des chaussures noires rouges et s'exprime en français. Toute personne qui hébergera ou apercevra le jeune Chakunte Rostan est priée de la conduire à la radio Equinox ou joindre le numéro suivant 672 647 665 674 02 36 14 contre une très forte récompense. So, country people them, na so we see country for this halftime. Sabi say sorry tori day, we say the land for day. Make una continue for follow program for Equinox Story House. Ambassador go turn back tomorrow with the other tori them. Una hold am tight.